This is a pneumatically operated factory crane that can move around a crate between two positions. A rechargeable battery box provides electricity for the illumination of the factory space as well as the crane. More importantly, however, it powers the air compressor that can bring the pneumatic system up to a pressure of a few bar. Behind the crane, there are 3 black levers to control all 3 pneumatic pistons. That way, the crane can lower its arm, close its claw, raise its arm, move along a straight line, which is accomplished by a scissor mechanism below the crane, and put the crate down on the second pedestal. Let's see the whole procedure without interruption.